Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Merge Mansion game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Merge Mansion game on your device and wait until it is fully loaded and you are connected with the server. Now, if you haven't logged out from your account within the game, you will directly be taken into your signed in game account and you can continue playing right where you left off. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, you can tap on the settings menu and look within, and you will see the sign in option that you are connected with. If you tap on the sign in option, you will be told that you are already logged in, but there is no option to log out. So if you wish to log out from your account, then exit the game first of all, and then long press on the Merge Mansion game, and you will see the info button. Tap on this button, and you will be taken into the application info page for Merge Mansion game. Just scroll down and tap on storage, and then tap on clear data at the bottom left corner, and you will be logged out from your Merge Mansion game account right away. After this, when you open up the game back again, the game will begin all the way from the start. And there you have it. That is how you can log out from your account on the Merge Mansion game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.